Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have some project shares for you guys. So Diana Marcum came out with her new digital images for April, and you can find them in her Etsy shop under Diana Marcum Designs, and I'll have that linked below in the description box. And they are so cute. Let me show you. And she has them in graduated images. So there's one sheet that you can download, and then here is the other sheet. Aren't they cute? They're so cute. Okay, so I have two projects to share with you guys. So first, let me show you what I used to make each card. So I used some diamond stickles on the first one. I used this porcelain iridescent trim. Floss, I should say. Isn't that pretty? And then I used some Dollar Tree lace. I used some jewel pearls from Stampin' Up. I used some paper from Whimsy Stamps. It's called Calico. Really cute. And then I used some paper from My Favorite Things called Tiny Check. I used these dies called Stitched Stackers from Penny Black. I used the largest one. I used these dies from My Creative Time called Bunch of Fun Circle Dies. And then I used my Pebbles Classic Chalks. I used the pink for the blush on the cheeks. And then let me show you the first card I came up with. Oh, forgot. I also used some buttons from my button jar. For my blues and greens, I used the blues. And this is the first one I came up with. I love that bunny. So that's what I came up with right there. And I left the inside blank. Isn't she adorable? I love it. Okay, so for my second one, I used this Stampin' Up! Springtime Joy just for a sentiment welcome spring. I used some bitty sparkles from Close to My Heart, little jewels. I used some My Favorite Things paper called Dots and Stripes Confection. I used a die from this Blueprints 31. I used this one down here, and I shortened it. And then I used this My Creative Time circle die called Pretty Scallop Circle Dies. And then I also used again, where did it go? That Penny Black Stitch Stackers. And I used my Copics to color again, and this is what I came up with. I thought it turned out super cute. And again, I left the inside blank because I don't know what I'm going to use it for other than the spring. So again, I'll leave the link in the description box. And again, I'll show you really quick what they look like. But they are so stinking cute. And I love how she has them graduated, the images, so they're all ready for you. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye-bye.